5 tasty foods to try cooking outdoor. Grilled burgers. Grilling burgers is a classic outdoor cooking activity that's perfect for a backyard barbecue. Cook up juicy beef or veggie burgers on a grill, and serve them with all your favorite toppings, like cheese, lettuce, tomato, and ketchup. Grilled vegetables. Grilling vegetables is a healthy and delicious way to enjoy fresh produce in the great outdoors. You can grill up skewers of veggies like peppers, onions, zucchini, and mushrooms, and serve them as a side dish or add them to salads and sandwiches. Campfire stew. Cooking a hearty stew over a campfire is a great way to warm up on a chilly night. Simply simmer a pot of beans, vegetables, and meat over the fire, and enjoy it with fresh bread or crackers. Grilled pizza. Grilling pizza is a fun and creative way to enjoy your favorite toppings in the great outdoors. You can use pre-made pizza dough or make your own, and add your favorite sauce, cheese, and toppings before cooking it on the grill. Campfire dessert. Making a sweet treat over the campfire is a fun and memorable outdoor cooking experience. You can roast marshmallows for s'mores or create a delicious dessert like grilled banana boats filled with chocolate and nuts. Thanks for watching.